Hey, Sabi here. Welcome to the video. So this is my update number 2. That is day 6 update. So day 6 since I started this TikTok journey. So what I'm basically doing is, if I go above, I am starting a $5,000 per month side hustle. I already started with TikTok and Instagram. I haven't started Instagram yet. I have created the profile and such, but I have started with TikTok, and so far the result is getting good. So this is the plan. I actually explained what this is in my previous videos. I will leave a playlist link below of this journey. Last 2 videos you can watch there after this video. All right. So my plan, if I want to keep it short, my plan is to upload 2 to 3 short pieces of content, send them to this system, this done for you system that I have set up, and this system will help me generate $100 to $900 a sale. Okay, and this is the offer that I'm promoting. All the details will be in the description or in the previous videos. And if I go be here, and if you want to see, I started with 39 followers here. If you can't see, 39 followers here, right here. Okay, this is Instagram, this is YouTube. I haven't started yet. I will be repurposing these videos to here later when I have time, but right now I am doing on this TikTok account. Okay, so if you want to see, check that out. And then post a piece of content, done for your follow-up system, $100 as I just said. Okay, update 1 was I uploaded 4 videos, 822 views plus 6 followers. So when I started on 13th, and this was on 16th, 17th, I uploaded this video. Okay, and today's 20th, and I uploaded this video right here, day 6th update number 2. And so far I have uploaded total videos of 11. If I want to show you quickly, 11 videos right here, right? I started from here and now I'm here. Okay, few videos have gone above 500 views, 500, 700, 800 and 800 views here. Okay, so my top video views is 838 views so far. Awesome. And followers gained total 25. I started with 39, and in the last first update I actually got 6 followers, and after that I actually, in this update 3 days later, I got plus 19 followers, which is awesome. So in total 25 followers, and my current follow count is 64, as you can see right here. Okay, now regarding leads, if I go before on the first update, leads were 4. I got 4 leads, and now I have made plus 9 additional leads. That is total 13 leads here. Ignore this little bump here. I stopped building my list through YouTube for this particular case study. So from 13th, as you can see, 12th nothing, 13th I uploaded start videos, 2 leads here, etc. 4 leads yesterday, and today so far 2 leads. Okay, so in total I have about 13 leads now, and my follow-up emails on the system, right? If I go to emails, campaigns, here is my email campaign. There is like 26 emails right now. So these will follow up and try to close a sale for me. As the product is high ticket, I expect I will not make any money at all right now, but later on, whenever I make one sale, that's going to be well worth it. It's going to be about $300 to $900. That's what I recommend to people. So yeah, a very short update. So I hope you like this video, and if you want to follow along, ask me questions, keep it going, please do subscribe, and I will see you in the next update.